Hello learners, welcome to my YouTube channel once again and thanks for liking and subscribing my previous videos and channel, hoping for the same in this video also. In today's class, we are going to learn the thief story written by Ruskin Bond. But before starting the actual story, we will get warmed up by a short, beautiful story. This story is about two friends, Lokesh and Farhan. Lokesh had always been the class topper in the examination, but by foul means. Once his classmate Farhan prepared maths instead of history. That means there was a history paper, but by mistakenly Farhan prepared maths. Lokesh realized his trouble and being a good friend of Farhan, he allowed him to copy answers from his answer sheet. But Farhan refused by saying that it is alright even if I get a 0, but I can call it my own 0. Cheating in exam is for cowards, not for me. These words were turning point in Lokesh's life. How? We will see. He gave up cheating forever. He worked hard for what he desires and never ever used false measures to acquire anything. In this way, we have ended up our story. Now we have to draw moral of the story. So moral of the story is that one's personality get transformed by the company she is surrounded. That means our friends, relatives, neighbors decides or determines our future and character personality to some extent. That's why it is said that tell me your friends, I tell you your future. With the same story or with the same moral, we are going to study the thief story written by Ruskin Bond. So, we will get introduced about author Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer of British descent. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature as mostly he wrote stories, plays for children. He got the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for his work Our Trees Still Grows in Dehra. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. Central idea or theme of the story. Company that keep us surrounded plays an important role in developing or shaping our characters and future. That means हमारे दोस्त और हमारी संगत हमारे फ्यूचर को और कैरेक्टर को डिफाइन करता है. Setting of the story. Now we will see what is the setting of the story. Setting means where the incident or story is taking place. So the setting of the present story is mainly Anil's room over Jumna's sweet shop. Now we will dive into the thief story. We will start to summarize the lesson or story by first line. I was still a thief and will stop. He would teach me to write whole sentences and add numbers. So let's get started. There are two main characters in the story. Anil is a 25-year-old boy. He is tall and lean fellow. He is good at nature, easygoing, kind and simple. I refers to the narrator or the speaker of the story. That means when we will read the story, there will you find a frequent use of word I, and I refers to the narrator of the story. Narrator is the thief in the story, but throughout the story, we don't come to know its real name and whether the narrator is male or female, because I denotes both to male or female. But we are obliged to consider it may be a boy because the narrator introduced itself as Hari by fake name. Now we will see about Hari. Hari is a 15 years old boy but quite successful in looting and at theft. As the title of the story is the thief story, so that means Hari is the thief and he is quite successful in looting and at theft. चोरी करने में, डाका डालने में वो बहुत माहिर था. He met Anil with an intention to theft him, so he was trying to be friendly with him and to win his heart. उसे अनिल के घर में चोरी करनी थी, इस वजह से वो उससे बहुत ही प्यार से फ्रेंडली तरीके से बात कर रहा था ताकि वो उसका दिल जीत सके. He started to flatter him by saying, "You look a bit of wrestler yourself." That means he started to flatter him or to butter him by saying, "You look a bit of wrestler yourself." Flatter means fake admiration. Why did Hari say these words? That means you look a bit of a wrestler yourself. Because when he met Anil, Anil was watching wrestling match, and that's why he guessed that he is quite interested in wrestler or wrestling match. That's why he flattered him in this way. He was behaving very modestly and giving most heart-winning, sweet, innocent smile. Hari expressed his desire to work for Anil. Modestly means in a humble way. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. This is a line said by Anil. From these line or from this statement, we come to know that Anil appointed Hari as his cook and will pay him. But here, interestingly, to know that about Hari that he did not know cooking. हरी को कुकिंग आती ही नहीं थी, पर फिर भी उसने कहा हाँ मुझे कुकिंग आती है, और अनिल ने एज अ कुक उसे घर पे अपॉइंट कर लिया. अनिल गेव इट टू स्ट्रे डॉग एंड टोल्ड हिम टू बी ऑफ. इस स्टेटमेंट से हमें पता चलता है दैट हरी इज़ वेरी बैड एट कुकिंग. That night he cooked for Anil, but the food does not have any taste, and that's why Anil preferred it to give to dog. But Hari did not give up, and he was again started to give a pleasant smile. But most appealing smile of Hari again won Anil's heart. He supported him instead of punishing Hari, and he promised him to teach how to write and add numbers. This promise is going to be proved turning point in Hari's life. और यही जो सेंटेंस है कि मैं तुम्हें लिखना और पढ़ना सिखाऊंगा, हरी की ज़िंदगी में टर्निंग पॉइंट प्रूफ होने वाला था.